Modern lifestyle, designed for your needs. Garden solar lamps, with fire effects. Best for garden patio, pathways, and sidewalk. No need for electric wiring. Install in 5 minutes. Hold the solar lamp, and turn the post counterclockwise. Turn on the switch. The light will turn on. If the light does not work, charge it 1 to 2 days under direct sunlight. Hold the solar lamp, and turn the post clockwise. Insert the plastic round rod into the solar lamp. Remove the spike. Insert the spike into the soil. Connect the plastic round rod together with the spike. Designed to withstand rain or shine. Modern lifestyle, garden solar lamp, with fire effect, is now available at all leading DIY stores nationwide. It would be the best choice to make your property elegant. Please like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.